It's reading time. Let's read first the following words. Who, likes, the, his, they, played, them, took, on, Matt and his cats. Matt is a man who likes cats. Nan and Sam are his 10 fat cats. The cats played tag. Nan and Sam ran and run. They ran by a cab and van. Then Matt got them ham and jam in a pan. The cats took a nap on Matt's lap. Good job! During, like, where, what, who, does. Meg and the wet pet. Meg had a pet. The cat was Ben. Meg and Ben sat in the wet sand. They got wet. Meg and Ben were a wet mess. Dad was mad that they were a mess. Meg was sent to bed. Ben was sent to bed too. Meg and her pet went to bed. They were sad. Who has a pet? Meg. What kind of pet does Meg have? Cat. Why are they wet? They sat in the wet sand. Why Meg and Ben were sad? Because Dad was mad and sent to bed. She also has, likes, and Kim is 6. Kim is 6 and she likes 6. Kim has 6 car keys and 6 big pins. She also has 6 tin lids. Kim has 6 pink pigs. And 6 red wigs. 6 car keys. 6 big pins. 6 tin lids. 6 pink pigs. And 6 red wigs. Who is 6? Kim. What does she like? 6. What is the color of the pig? Pink. What is the color of the wig? Red. What are the things that she has? 6 car keys, 6 tin lids, 6 pink pigs, 6 big pins, 6 red wigs. From, also, plops, likes, frog, hopping, Bob the frog, Bob is a frog who likes to hop. He is a hopping frog. Bob hops on rocks. He hops from rock to rock. He also hops on logs. Bob hops from log to log. Then Bob plops in the pond. Bob likes to get wet. He is fond of the pond. What is the name of the frog? Bob. What are his favorite things to do? Hop on rocks, hop on logs, plop on pond. He is fond of the pond. Bob likes to get wet or sit wet. Did not, only, was, he. Bud the bog. Bud was a big bug. Bud sat in mud. He did not run in the mud. He did not jog in the mud, but only dug in the mud. Bud dug and dug in the wet mud. He had fun in the mud. Bud was a big bug in the mud. What is the name of the bug? Bud. Where does Bud sit? In the mud. He did not blank in the mud, run and jog. Bud had blank in the mud, fun.